So Madam Smith to the rescue. Today we will have this quick lesson. I'll make it as quick as possible, but it's going to take some time actually, on forming questions using the inversion. I will use some examples from Espace Super Site, which is your textbook, online textbook. I hope you know that. From lesson 2A2. Okay, so the second part of lesson 2. Here we go. How to ask questions using the inversion. The general rule. Invert the order of the subject pronoun and the verb and put a hyphen in between them. Example. This first sentence here is the statement. Vous avez un livre. Vous avez un livre. You have a book. Question using the inversion. Avez-vous un livre? Avez-vous un livre? So, invert the order of the subject pronoun. Vous is the pronoun. Avez is the verb. All right? I invert those two and I put a hyphen in between. So, avez hyphen vous. All right, pay attention. With the pronouns il, elle, and on, we have to add hyphen, t hyphen. Example again. Elle a un livre. Elle a un livre. She has a book. Now, the pronoun here is elle. The verb is a, which means has. If I want to make the inversion, I have to add the hyphen, t hyphen. So I say a-t-elle un livre? A-t-elle un livre? Why? Because it sounds better. French is all about sounding nice. So without a T, I would have to say a elle. A elle un livre. That doesn't sound nice. Doesn't sound musical in French. So I say a-t-elle un livre? All right. If it's instead of elle, a il, a boy, I say a-t-il un livre? Or a-t-on un livre? A-t-on un livre? Attention again. If the original sentence, in the original sentence, the subject is a noun instead of a pronoun, place the noun at the beginning of the question, then follow with an inverted appropriate verb pronoun. Example, statement. Les filles parlent anglais. The girls speak English. Les filles parlent anglais. Now here I have a noun. Les filles, the girls. If I want to make a form a question making the inversion, I will go first the noun, les filles, the girls. Then I invert the pronoun and verb. So I say, parle-t-elle anglais? Parle-t-elle anglais? Here I, oops, lost it. I make a liaison between parle et elle. Okay? Between parle et elle. I say parle-t-elle. Parle-t-elle. Anglais. So first the noun, les filles, and then the inversion. Because the inversion is always done only with verb and pronoun, not verb and noun. Attention again. What do we have here? Il y a, which means there is, becomes y a-t-il with the inversion. Y a-t-il, that's the pronunciation. C'est, which means it is, becomes est. Est, that's the pronunciation of these two words, est. So examples. Statement. Il y a deux salles de classe. There are two classrooms. Il y a deux salles de classe. Question. Y a-t-il deux salles de classe? Statement again. C'est le professeur de gestion. It's the business professor. C'est le professeur de gestion. Question. Est-ce le professeur de gestion? Est-ce le professeur de gestion? Let's see. Practice. This is from Espace Supersite, one of the assignments. Statement. Il n'habite pas à Québec. Il n'habite pas à Québec. Question. N'habite-t-il pas à Québec? N'habite-t-il pas à Québec? So this is an inversion with a negation. I have it's a negative statement and the negative question. It means don't they live in Quebec? N'habite-t-il pas à Québec? Next. L'étudiante oublie. The student, female student, because I have the E at the end, forgets. Question. L'étudiante oublie-t-elle? Oublie-t-elle? Étudiante is feminine singular, therefore the correct form pronoun is elle. The original sentence starts with a noun, therefore the questions start with the same noun, and for the inversion I use the correct pronoun, which is elle. If I had a masculine étudiante, yes, a student, a male student, I would say l'étudiant oublie-t-il? Oublie-t-il? More example, la physique est utile. Physics is useful. La physique est utile. Question, la physique est-elle utile? So this is the case where I have a noun in the statement. So I open the question with the same noun, la physique, and then I make the inversion. Est-elle utile? Next. Il mange au resto U. Il mange au resto U. Question. Mange-t-il au resto U? Mange-t-il? I have to add hyphen T hyphen because it's one of those pronouns, elle, il, or on. Voilà. François déteste les maths. Francis hates math. François déteste les maths. Question. François déteste-t-il les maths? So, this statement opens with a noun, François. I'll open the question with a noun. François déteste-t-il les maths? And François is Francis is masculine singular. And so the correct pronouns is il. I always try to put names that are kind of common in these examples, unlike the textbook, so people know if it's masculine or feminine. Les étudiantes arrivent en classe. The students arrive in class. Now these students are girls. It's plural and they're girls. So, question. Les étudiantes arrivent-elles en classe? So I have to use elle because these are female students and it's plural. So I use elle. All right, the inversion. This is this is one of the assignments that I gave you. And of course, we do it together because we're here to learn. Alors, voyons. Statement. Est-ce que vous parlez espagnol? Est-ce que vous parlez espagnol? You have to use the inversion. Parlez-vous espagnol? Very easy. Parlez-vous français? Parlez-vous espagnol? Second example. Est-ce qu'il étudie à Paris? Does he study in Paris? With the inversion. Étudie-t-il à Paris? Because I have il, the pronoun il, so I had to put hyphen T hyphen in between the verb and the pronoun. Étudie-t-il à Paris? Third, est-ce qu'il voyage avec des amis? Inversion, voyage-t-il? Voyage-t-il avec des amis? Pay attention to the pronunciation, it's kind of tricky. It's hard to look at the sentence and decide how to pronounce it. I know that. Let me see, I'm lost here. Voilà. Voyage-t-il avec des amis? That's the pronunciation. Voyons. Est-ce que tu aimes les cours de langue? Do you like the language classes? Inversion. Aimes-tu les cours de langue? Aimes-tu? Donc c'est aimes-tu. It's aimes-tu. Aimes-tu? Other example. Est-ce que le professeur parle anglais? Does the professor speak English? Inversion. Le professeur parle-t-il anglais? Le professeur parle-t-il anglais? Or, if you don't want to use le professeur, parle-t-il anglais? Parle-t-il? That's the pronunciation. Est-ce que les étudiants aiment dessiner? Est-ce que les étudiants aiment dessiner? These étudiants is plural because it has a S at the end, and they are boys. It's masculine plural because it doesn't have ES, it's only S. So, inversion, les étudiants aiment-ils dessiner? First the noun, les étudiants, then the inversion. Aiment-ils dessiner? Or, aime-t-il dessiner? Aime-t-il dessiner? As I said, this, I promise, is the hardest thing you'll have to learn in this course. There's nothing harder than this, so don't get discouraged. And email me if you need more explanations. Et au revoir. Merci.